Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to look taller in photos. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over 4 simple things that you can do to look taller while you're in photos. All right, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, so pay attention, take notes, and try these things out. Starting with number one. Number one is correct posture. If you're slouching over, you're gonna look shorter, okay? You need to get nice and tall. So straighten out your back, straighten out your neck, get your shoulders nice and square, and that is how you're going to look taller in photos. That's one of the best and most effective things that you can do to look taller in photos. Just correct your posture. And that means like just stand up straight. You're just going to gain, like imagine I was like this, right? I'm slouching forward. This is probably over exaggerated, but let's just say I was like this and I want to straighten out. Look at how much taller I look. And this is a regular, like if I was standing for a picture, this is like a regular way that I might stand. But when I make an effort to correct my posture, all of a sudden I look taller. Not only does my head go up slightly, right, because I'm straightening out, but I actually look taller because of my stature, okay? That's number one. Number two is wear clothes that fit, okay? If you're wearing clothes that are too small, it's gonna look weird. It's gonna look like you're trying to look taller. But if you're wearing clothes that are too big, it's just gonna look improper in the sense it'll actually make you look shorter if your clothes are too big, okay? So what you wanna do is wear clothes that fit. It is the perfect thing to do. When you wear clothes that fit, it'll make you look just slightly taller than if you were to wear clothes that were too big. And like I said, you don't want to wear clothes that are too small because that'll look weird. And clothes that are too big will make you look shorter. Wearing clothes that fit is the perfect way to look good and look taller than, wearing clothes that are too big. So wear clothes that fit, it'll make you look a little bit taller for pictures. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is take vertical pictures. When you are taking a picture, if you take it in sort of horizontal mode, it might make you look a little bit shorter. If you take it in vertical mode, it has a decent chance of making you look a little bit bigger, okay, a little bit taller. So take it in vertical mode if you can. And if you have the choice, because like, if you're just in a picture, it is what it is. The person that's taking the picture has that control. But like if you are saying to someone, hey, can you take a picture of me? And you can tell them, like literally, if they're holding the camera here, tell them to bring it down slightly. If they bring it down an inch or 2, if they bring the camera down an inch or 2 while taking a vertical picture, you're gonna look decently taller. So taking a vertical picture is a key factor, but bringing the camera down ever so slightly is another key factor as well. And moving on to the last one, which is number 4. Number 4 is stand near shorter stuff like a bench. So if you're standing near something that's shorter, like a bench or a short bush, it has a tendency to make you look a little bit taller for the picture. If you're standing beside something that's super tall, you might look a little bit shorter. So try and stand beside something or pose beside something that's a bit shorter if you can. And that's basically it. That is how you can look taller in pictures and photos. Really, really easy to do. And I've got nothing else to say for this tutorial, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.